our little sister, and welcome back to Three Siblings
Family. Smiley.
Okay, so today we are painting our first letter of our names. So the materials are
Sponges.
tape,
Scissors.
paintbrushes,
Paintbrushes. Crayola paint. Dot paint.
glitter, which is
Glitter.
optional, and a paint palette.
Yeah. With the paint on top.
Yeah. So the reason why we're doing this activity is because lots of kids are getting bored at home because of the issue that's going on these days. And for us, painting and doing arts and crafts is the best activity for us to keep us
really
busy.
Cool.
Yeah.
You can do anything you want to do.
Yeah, that's right. Right, Irha?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so Irha, do you want to pick a paintbrush?
Yes.
Okay, next. Good. I'm gonna use this one. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna just take out some paints. Irha, do you wanna use pink?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're just we just added the paints into the palette. Yeah. Okay, and I'm gonna just start with my sponge first. Irha, you wanna go with purple? Whoa. Okay, Mom, say, do you wanna use your sponge or sponge? Sure. And just put it out. Yeah. Okay. Pick a color. Red.
I will put this.
Irha, yours looks so nice. Okay, I'm gonna start with, I think, pink.
You mixed it up.
It's fine, yeah. It's fine.
What's the water?
It's fine. Come on. So,
Look at mine. It's so cool.
wow, yours is actually very cool. I also love Irha's a lot. Mine will kind of be blending my colors into each other, and I'm really excited to see the results out.
Now I'm going to use my paint brush. Use this
A little bit more purple.
Sorry, it's mine.
Yeah. My sponge is really cool.
Oh.
Sure.
I use paint for this part. Ooh la la.
So the technique of this sponging is called sponge technique.
Mine is the coolest.
Yeah, I like everybody's actually.
Yeah.
And this is how mine turned out to be.
Yeah.
That's how Miles and Irha's still working on hers, but so far hers looks like this. I like everybody's.
Yeah. And then when it's dry, we can take the tape out.
And then we'll show you the final results.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna start peeling off our letters, and yeah, I'm really excited to see. Irha's still working on hers. Irha, how are you doing? Good. That's great. Oh wow. Oh my god. Wow.
Oh, ow.
My god, this looks so good. Whoa. That looks amazing. This is mine.
This is mine.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Irha, you're taking this out? Oh my god, let's see hers. Okay, I'll take that tape.
This is gonna be so cool.
just finished peeling off hers. Hers looks like epic. It's like really nice. Here, you want to show them? Yeah, I'll help. She did awesome for her age, to be honest. Like, that's amazing.
Yeah,
right?
mine is cool.
I love mine. Like, I love it. So nice.
My heart is really good. My heart is really good.
You're so cute. Okay. So, yeah, guys. So, please stay tuned for new, fun, and awesome
Video.
like this one. Okay. And please remember to like, subscribe. See you all next time.
Bye.